Analog Devices ADHV4702-1 is a high-voltage, unity-gain, stable precision operational amplifier. It offers high input impedance with low input bias current, low input offset voltage, low drift, and low noise for accuracy-demanding applications. It can operate from supplies up to 220 volts, and its package has a flexible E-pad and spacing compliant to IEC 61010-1. The op-amp also includes a temperature monitor, shutdown pin, and bias control. The 170 dB open loop gain and 160 dB common mode rejection ratio, along with high voltage input common mode swing and high voltage output swing, enable precision high voltage use cases such as high side current sensing or forcing a voltage in precision bias and control applications. Other applications include scientific instruments, piezo transducer drivers, automated test equipment, photodiode and silicon photomultiplier biasing, and more.